2, 2, 5, 3. Are you see? Bad boots. Bad boots.
What's Boots doing?
Get up there. Bad boots.
He shouldn't be getting up there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get another. Bad boots.
Don't do that. Don't be doing that.
In the page. Bad door.
No, don't say bad Dora. What did Dora do?
He put a get up the D and baby.
What are you calling?
Bad baby.
Why are you calling Benny bad? What did Benny do?
Put a get up there.
He's not going up anywhere. He's juggling.
Bad bird.
What did the bird do?
Get up there. He's supposed to get up there.
He's not supposed to get up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bad bird.
What did that bird do?
Bird get up there. Bad bird. He's not going up there.
Oh, okay.
Backpack.
Why is the backpack bad?
Because he's not get up there.
He's not up anywhere.
Bad.
Why are you,
Bad door.
why are you hitting everybody?
Well, bad door.
You should.
Bad door. Bad. Because he's supposed to get up there. Bad door.
Dora's not. Look, she's just at the tree. She's not on anything. She's not climbing. Or maybe she is. Is that okay? Look, now they're just eating. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn.